Hello everyone, my name is Love Chisom. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful gown you are seeing on the screen here. You know this December is fast approaching. Everybody needs to hot, okay? This is a stay-at-home gown. You can use it to go out for people that likes to wear an open body. But I don't like it. I'll be wearing this one to stay at home. So I will show you how I created it. Okay, stay tuned. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you're welcome. Okay, just see how good, beautiful it is. You can make this gown with 2.5 years, 3 years. Okay, let us begin. First of all, you are going to fold your fabric in bias form. So in this video, this gown will be 14 inches. Okay, you know it's a free gown. It will be 14 inches. So fold your fabric in a bias form. Measure around your chest. Okay, mine is 38. So what I'm going to make use of 24 inches, 28 inches here. I'll make use of 14 so that by the time I'll plait it on the front, I will have my front chest measurement left. So see how I place my tape, 14 inches here. Okay. You can divide your chest your chest circumference, divide it by 4. You can add any allowance that you want to use. So, but I decided to make it extra. Just go up, place your tape this way. Go up by 6 inches, then you get your 40 inches. Minus 6 inches up, then you get your 40 inches. Okay. Now, from that 40 inches you measured, you're going to draw your line. I noticed here that my line was not straight, so it was somehow curvy. So it's from my hand. So please try your best to make yours very shapy. So this is it here. We're done. Now we're going to cut it out. Okay. We're going to cut it out. Don't mind what I'm doing here. I was talking, and so this is it. So this is our back. I've cut out the back. To cut out your back, fold your fabric in a bias form again, place your front, then go up by 4 inches for folding. So this 4 inches now, you know the dress has elastic at the back. So we're going to fold it and insert 2 inches elastic. So that is why I went up by 4 inches. So if you want to put your pocket, measure from that, go up, minus your 6 inches, you get your waist measurement. From that waist measurement, come down by 8 inches for your pockets to insert your hand on your pocket. If you want to add pockets, that is the purpose of this one now. But I'm not going to add pockets on my own, okay? So this is all for the back. So right now I've folded the back. I've folded it and I've inserted my elastic band. So now I want to show you how I cut out my elastic band. So cut out 15 inches for your elastic band. Then make a fold on your fabric and you insert. So this is the 15 inches that I made use of. Okay, you fold it and insert it here. So that is what I did. So now for the front, we're going to bring the front like this. I've folded 1/2 inch in the front. So this is the 1/2 inch that I folded, so that by the time I will apply my strap, I'll have a good finishing on the front. That was why I folded it like that. So this is what I'll be using to pipe the front. Okay. This is what I'll be using to pipe the front. So here, I'm just showing you how I'm going to do it. You're going to put your interface fold it then before piping, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So before that, we're going to make a pleat on the front. okay, to get the exact chest measurement that we have. My chest measurement is 38, so I want this to be 20 after pleating. I want it to be 19, sorry, after pleating. So I will sew with half inch and I will be left with 18 at the front. So for the back, you know it's 15 elastic. So when you wear it, it will drag and balance. So this is how we'll be folding. I folded it into two and I'll make sure I get the center. So you're going to pleat anyhow you want, but make sure your pleating will stop at the center. Okay, the way I'm doing it now, just watch closely. So this is it. Pleat anyhow you want, but make sure everything stops at the center. So I'm trying to measure it. I have 21 here. I'll still have to pleat 2 inches to get my 19 inches. So this is it. I'm okay with it. So look at it, the strap that I showed you. I added an interfacing and I folded it in bias form, as in I fold it in form of bias, okay? So that by the time I insert my fabric inside, I will sew. So I'm going to divide it into two, okay? Make sure you cut out like 60 lengths of strap. Length of strap. Okay, so this is it. This is how I'm going to insert it. So make sure your stitching stop at that center that I marked. You're also going to repeat the same process here. So this is it. So this is it. So right now I'm going to show you how you are going to cross your strap. So I've joined the both side with 1 inch so that I can be able to show you something. So this is it. So after stitching it, piping it at the front, make sure what you have left will be up to 19 inches. Okay? Make sure what you have left will be up to 19 inches. So now you're going to cross it. Watch what I'm doing now. Watch closely what I am doing. You're going to cross it and stitch there. So that is it. Now we're going to join it at the side. Place the both front and back together, you close. Okay, this is it. Turn it both front and back together, you close. You also do the same thing here, front and back together, you close. Okay, Now to cross the strap, from your side that you sew, okay? So watch closely what I am doing. From that side, place your tape this way, measure 4 inches. 4 inches. So on that 4 inches, that is where you place your strap. This is it. You place your strap and then you stitch, okay? You're also going to repeat the same thing on the other side. You measure 4 inches. Then you place your strap. So that is it. If you have watched this video to this extent, thank you very much. I so much appreciate your efforts in viewing my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me. I so much appreciate you all. Okay, so I'll go to my sewing machine, stitch it, and I'll show you. Look at it. So this is the final result. This is it. Okay, this is what it looks like.